August ni somni atangani somni panga sahni somni pali chunga Hyderabad khopuya Kotak India Junior International Series sahni somni pali khelzota ka durtlang roll thar silal ramsanga silungwan puya fapa chuan under 19 mixed doubles category a bronze medal adonga Mizozinga International Level Badminton Tournament junior a medal la thema saberni in Mizoram Badminton Tan History Asiam Mission Veng Badminton player sanga hi namdang clay roll Pragati Paridanen anin kopa semi-final thleng turin round of 32 lama somni pakhat som pathum somni pakhat pariatin anchipui NS Chauhan le Liza Tang anhne quarter final stage ha po Indian pair bok tumle in Arsh Mohammed le Mizo clay roll lalrem pui te tangdun laka somni pakhat som pariat somni pani somni in hne na an swal chuak le he tournament a thil chin chhiat tlak tak chu international level badminton tournament lian last 8 stage a Mizo player anin tum hi ani semi final ania ramsang ate chandun hian he tournament seeded number 1 Thai pair Atawit Sripo le Panawi Poliam Changdun an suwa chuti chungin first game chu somni pani somni in an la a second game hi an tumpuiten somni pakhat som palin an ron lavele a deciding game khel angaya in hne tok taka anin Norton zak nuwa sangate hian som pariat som panga in ma an shwai man tin mun thazo ka an din nuwa in po thlak tir le in somni pani somni in achaklo zo ka an tang tatlata bronze medal la an lung oi angai phata ani he junior international series badminton tournament liana hian Ralte Villa Badminton Club tana khelmek serchi player lalrem puile a partner Arsh Mohammed Tepon under 19 mixed doubles category a thau quarter final an thlenga Mizo Mecha Shuttler thlen chin hi a hniam lo he round thleng tur hian round of 32 a Chinese Taipei lammi Yen Bin Huang le Lin Yun An te tangdun chu somni pakhat som pasari in an hne a round of 16 a Ashish Greg le Krishika Mahajan te chu somni pakhat som pani som pariat somni pakhat som parukin an hne le bok quarter final match ha ero ramsanga le a partner laka an van duaita ani